Hello everybody and welcome to Nerd Night. Today we're going to be making paper out of recycled materials. I'm Cloud.
And I'm CJ. Let's get started. Grab some scratch paper, anything that you have lying around the house that is either used or old. Using a shredder is the fastest and easiest way to do it, but you can also do it by hand like we're showing here.
Leave the shreds of paper soaking in a tub of water for about 5 to 10 minutes. After you've gotten some of the excess water out of the paper, you're going to start mashing it with a hammer or a mallet. Mash for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it looks mushy and like a pulp. Sheets of paper, you're going to need a mold and decal. If you don't have one or don't want to buy one, you can make one out of mesh and duct tape. Using the mold and decal that you made or bought, pull sheets of paper by dragging it through a tub with the pulp.
Grab 2 pieces of felt and wet them lightly. Then you're going to use your sponge and go ahead and pick up any excess water. To help unstick the paper, use something heavy. Now gently remove the mold and decal.
Use the felt to stick the paper to a window somewhere in direct sunlight. You're going to want to leave the paper stuck to the window drying for about 24 hours. Once the paper is hard and looks dry, that's how you know you're ready to peel it off. are peeling it off, be as gentle as possible, as it will be a little bit fragile at first.
Thank you for joining us on this Nerd Night. Happy Earth Day, and see you next time.